Imposing masses of enigma float silently in the vast expanse of space, a subject that has long left us with more questions than answers. Yet now, a radical shift is underway. The James Webb Space Telescope has begun to reveal what lies inside these towering enigmas, better known as black holes. Join us as we journey to the farthest reaches of a black hole to uncover what secrets they hold. If you're interested in staying updated with the latest discoveries about the universe and its mysteries, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it to reach more curious minds, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. The story all began back in 1916 with Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity, which first predicted the existence of these mysterious cosmic entities. Though the term black hole wasn't coined until about 50 years later, some scientists embraced Einstein's theory early on, while others remained skeptical. It wasn't until the late 1960s that the reality of black holes started to become undeniable. While studying the constellation Cygnus X1, astronomers noticed a strange bright blue star emitting powerful X-rays, something no ordinary star should do. This star was orbiting an unseen, massive dark object. Closer examination revealed that the X-rays were being pulled toward this invisible entity, which exerted a force so strong it was consuming everything around it. At that moment, science gained concrete evidence that black holes were not just theoretical, but very real. What exactly are black holes? The discovery of Cygnus X1 led to more astonishing findings, including the possibility that our own Milky Way galaxy may contain as many as 100 million black holes. Yet, due to the extreme difficulty in detecting these objects, the exact number remains uncertain, with estimates suggesting there are millions scattered throughout our galaxy alone. Physicists define a black hole as a region in space where anything that enters is compressed to an incredible degree, eventually becoming a singularity, a point of infinite density. To put it simply, if someone were to fall into a black hole, they would be stretched and pulled apart like spaghetti, slowly dying in this elongated form before ultimately reaching the singularity. This unsettling idea captures both the terrifying and fascinating nature of black holes, fueling our desire to understand them fully. Despite the closest known black hole being about 1,500 light-years away, questions still arise about the possibility of a black hole swallowing Earth itself. In 2021, scientists published the first clear photograph of a black hole, specifically, the one at the center of the galaxy M87. This black hole was observed over several nights, with each image adding more evidence about its structure. Researchers discovered that black holes aren't just simple holes in space, instead, they consist of multiple fundamental layers. To understand a black hole's complexity, it helps to break down its layers. First, there is the event horizon, the outer boundary surrounding the black hole's mouth. Once anything crosses this threshold, escape becomes impossible. Objects that pass this boundary are either trapped indefinitely or pulled deeper toward the black hole on their way toward the singularity, the black hole's core. The singularity is where gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape. To break free from this gravitational grip, something would need to travel faster than the speed of light, something that current physics tells us is impossible. Gravity on Earth operates very differently. If Earth had the gravity of a black hole, life as we know it simply wouldn't exist. The event horizon represents a boundary beyond which the rules of physics as we understand them break down completely. The singularity itself is the ultimate enigma, where most of the black hole's mass is concentrated into an infinitely small point. Within this region, the laws of physics collapse into chaos. Each black hole is unique, possessing its own gravitational strength and effects. Understanding one black hole in detail does not guarantee understanding another. It's an ever-ending cosmic puzzle. The challenge for scientists is that black holes cannot be studied in the same way as stars or planets. Unlike those objects, black holes emit no light, and their interiors are inaccessible. We cannot simply send a probe, like Voyager, into a black hole to explore it, as it would be crushed beyond recognition at the singularity. Therefore, the only way to study black holes is through indirect means, such as analyzing the radiation and matter swirling around them. So far, we have not been able to peer inside the singularity itself, as doing so would require traveling faster than light, an impossible feat with current technology. Despite these limitations, scientists have developed several theories about what might lie beyond the event horizon, beyond the singularity. Some propose that black holes aren't simply voids but could function as gateways or doors, possibly allowing travel between galaxies or even different universes. This concept has fueled imagination and speculation. What if black holes serve as shortcuts through spacetime? Another intriguing theory suggests black holes could be a glitch in the fabric of reality, like a cosmic matrix. If humanity ever masters faster than light travel, perhaps we could enter a black hole and explore what lies on the other side. Though these ideas remain speculative, scientific efforts continue to search for more concrete answers. One possibility is that the singularity isn't a void but rather a wormhole, a tunnel leading to another galaxy. If true, black holes could revolutionize interstellar travel by providing shortcuts across vast cosmic distances. This would expand our horizons beyond the planets in our solar system and open pathways to explore distant galaxies. Such a discovery would challenge previously held assumptions about the limits of space travel. At the opposite end of the spectrum, some scientists question whether black holes exist at all. Tokyo-based researcher Enrico Raldi and his team have proposed a bold theory that black holes might be holograms, illusions rather than physical entities. While holograms are usually thought of as three-dimensional images created through technology, the term can also refer to any visual discrepancy or illusion. When discussing the vastness of space, anything is possible. This idea challenges us to rethink our understanding of reality itself. Beyond these theories, there are many fascinating questions that continue to drive research into black holes. How do black holes influence the galaxies around them? Do they play a role in the formation and evolution of stars and galaxies? What happens at the event horizon from the perspective of an outside observer compared to someone falling in? Can black holes evaporate over time through Hawking radiation, and if so, what are the implications for the fate of the universe? These are just a few of the mysteries that remain. Furthermore, advances in technology are opening new windows into black hole research. Gravitational wave detectors, such as LIGO and Virgo, have begun to hear the collisions of black holes billions of light years away, providing unprecedented insights into their behavior and properties. Meanwhile, the James Webb Space Telescope and other observatories continue to push the boundaries of what we can observe, helping us map the environment around black holes with greater precision than ever before. In the end, black holes represent the ultimate frontier in our understanding of physics and cosmology. They challenge the limits of knowledge and inspire us to explore deeper into the nature of reality. Whether they are gateways, cosmic glitches, or something else entirely, black holes remind us that the universe is far more mysterious and wondrous than we can imagine. So, what do you think about black holes? Are they portals to other worlds, mere illusions, or the greatest puzzles of the cosmos? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more incredible explorations into the universe's secrets.